If you're in the market for a new phone, Vivo's new lineup may have something to offer. Because it includes a more capable camera configuration, the Vivo X80 Pro is the more premium of its siblings. Aside from that, what more does this phone have to offer? Welcome to EduTech Reviews. Please subscribe to this channel for more contents like this, and leave comment below saying I have subscribed. Let's get started. Appearance. The Vivo X80 Pro is a trendy phone with a huge camera plate on the back that holds 3 of the phone's cameras and a smaller camera bump on the front. It comes in cosmic black. The phone also sports an extra-large fingerprint sensor area, in addition to the camera bump. In addition to its stunning appearance, the Vivo X80 Pro is dust and water resistant to IP68 standards. The Vivo X80 Pro is a larger phone than the Vivo X70 Pro. The dimensions of the Vivo X80 Pro are 164.6 by 75.3 by 9.1 millimeters, and it weighs 215 grams. A Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU is included in the Vivo X80 Pro. As a result, your phone will be powered by the latest Android powerhouse chipset, with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB to 512 GB of storage space owing to the fast CPU. It has an extra-large liquid cooling vapor chamber to protect the phone from overheating. On the front, there's a 6.78-inch LTPO3 AMOLED screen with 1440 by 3200 pixel resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, 300 Hz touch sampling rate, HDR10+ compatibility, and, most crucially, support for 1 billion colors, which makes for a superb movie-watching experience. According to Vivo, it has a peak brightness of up to 1500 nits, making it excellent for HDR video content. The Vivo X80 Pro runs Android 12 OS and a colorful user interface with improved shortcuts and features like configurable icons and folders, as well as a cover lock screen that allows for quick activities. The battery's capacity. The phone has a huge 4700 mAh battery that should give plenty of endurance and speedy charging. A full charge with the 50-watt wireless charger should take 50 minutes, and 38 to 100 minutes with the 80-watt cable charger. Vivo has once again impressed the mobile market. A huge part of this phone is the camera setup. When you take portraits, you get a huge variety of bokeh modes to choose from. On the back, the Vivo X80 Pro has a 50-megapixel main camera with autofocus and optical image stabilizer, an 8-megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, a 12-megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom and gimbal optical image stabilizer, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, as well as a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The phone can shoot video at high resolutions of up to 8K at 24 frames per second or 4K at 60 frames per second, and the Vivo V1 Plus image chip should make filmmaking easier than ever. Video capturing should be quite steady because to the active centering optical image stabilizer technology and the 360-degree horizon leveling stabilization. The primary camera's ultra-sensitive GNV sensor should also ensure that you capture superb nighttime images and shots with balanced exposure. What do you think of this phone? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Please do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so you will be the first to see my videos. Thank you.